Good afternoon, great people. Kalnina here, or Cal. Here in the garage with the 2025 Z900 SE. Just brought it home last week. It's almost been a week. I got roughly 100 miles I haven't been able to ride because up here where I live, it's currently a little chilly to be out and about. But nonetheless, I just wanted to bring y'all a video today. Today we're going to be installing a few parts. Right here, we have from Keni Moto, we have some bar end mirrors because I wouldn't call these here directly ugly, but they're not cute to look at, if you know what I mean. Right here, we just got some tank grips to put on both sides, branded with the Z900 logo on them. We'll see if we get to this today or I'll have to install another day. Here we have a tail tidy because the tail on the bike right now is pretty long and hideous, to say the least. And then last but not least, we have a radiator guard for all those little rocks that be flying up so that we won't have a punctured radiator, because that's not cheap. So stay tuned, we'll go through and we'll install all of these parts, and then we'll take you out for a ride, see how she feels. So one of the first things that we're gonna look to install are the bar end mirrors. So just about to undo this bolt in here. Yeah. And do the stock bar end and see what they're talking about. There we go. And then I'm actually going to do the same for the other side. There we go. Both bar ends are off. Now that we got both bar ends off, it seems like they have another bolt that's threaded in that the bar has threaded into. So let's get the Keni Moto and build it up.